Yeah, no. Believe me, I'm I'm an early adopter. I'm a firm believer that AI tools will happen and impact the practice, but not to the point of replacing pathologists.
No, absolutely not as well. We actually are using AI in our lab right now to help with some of the more complex work that we have, or offloading the more simple work so that we can actually spend the time with our more complex work. As we're seeing more patients stay in hospitals for longer, well, for shorter, but in terms of for longer periods of their lives because they're aging and we're able to support their health for longer, we're also seeing more complex diseases because we're able to maintain and help people survive with these complexities. As a result, we're seeing far more complexity in what we come in our labs, and especially with who we serve here at the University of Toronto.
At the end of the day, you still need a human mind, or in this case, a pathologist, to be able to have that added level of judgment that takes into consideration the patient side of things. And who knows, maybe AI will get to that level, but as it stands right now, it's just not. Like, despite the word intelligence in AI, it's actually pretty dumb right now. And so you still need a human component to it.
We're using AI to help with the simpler cultures and the simpler work that we're doing, such that we have our expert technologists and microbiologists being able to work on the more complex things. So AI is being used as a real tool to help us be more efficient in what we're doing and to be able to actually cope with the increasing complexity that's coming through our labs.
I'm not worried about losing my job anytime soon, let's be honest. Or even in the future.